Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. So it's going to be your daily love reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Scorpios, step into the light. Gratitude, honor life cycles. Okay, guys. Okay, Scorpios, with these cards, I feel like you feel you're on a rocky path, okay? Some kind of a tough situation. You don't know what to do, but there is light ahead, guys. Remember that, never give up hope, okay? So there is always support and guidance from people around you, and the universe is guiding you to overcome these hurdles, okay, whatever you may be facing nowadays, okay, and there are brighter days ahead, okay, guys. So you have to think of those days, have hope, okay, for the brighter days that are coming now quickly. And gratitude, like we always are very busy all the days, okay, we run around, we have so much to do. Often we forget to see what we have, okay, guys, what gifts we have, what qualities we have, and what things we possess, okay. And we need to be appreciative about all the things and all the people we have, okay. Sometimes we need to just stop back and watch what we have and take stock of the things and values in our lives, okay. It'll when you do that, it will give us a great sense of satisfaction, okay, gratitude towards the universe for what it has given us, okay. So that is what I feel, guys. And we will open ourselves more to the universal energy of love, okay. So that way we will feel very grateful for the things we have. When we look at the things around us, we should be conscious about the things around us, okay. Then that way we'll be feeling very grateful for what we are having, so we can overcome our problems that way. When we feel grateful for the things we have, all our problems will look very smaller, guys, compared to that. And honor life cycles, I think we got this card even for yesterday's reading. And throughout our life flows in a path. It has lots of what to say, there are certain things happening, okay, and sequences of cycles and phases, okay. And intuitively we will know what our body needs and what our mind needs, okay. We should not ignore these signals, guys. That is what I feel. When we want to change, we have to accept the change and we have to go for the change. That way we will honor our life cycle, okay. The what we have to do, we will know what we have to do. When we change, it gives out a great transformation for our body and mind, and it helps us in our spiritual growth also, guys. So let me pick out 3 more cards, okay. This is for the message from your person. This is what your person feels about you, or what you feel about your person, okay. You can read my mind. You're smart and practical. You respect my family, okay. It's a very nice card, guys. It just shows how much yourself or your person know about each other, okay. It just shows you're very friendly with each other's family. You're very practical and smart. And Scorpios, usually you have a very good intuition. So you can read my mind, you know what your person is thinking, okay, and you understand the situation very easily, guys. So that is what I feel. Both yours and your partner's compatibility is very good, okay. This is what I feel with these cards, guys. So let me take 3 more cards to give a clarity for your situation, okay, and I'll give you a overall reading. Scorpios: tolerance, transformation, creativity. Okay, guys, with these cards, tolerance is everyone may be different on a physical level, okay, or social status and position, but we are all equal in our hearts and our souls, guys. So we should tolerate the people around us. When we cultivate tolerance, and we don't look at others and judge them, and when our views are not biased, okay, it makes the situation even much more better, and it leads to transformation, guys. So when we are not biased and when we tolerate the people who are with us, okay, this may be your energy or your person's energy, okay, we give up the negative energy, what is associated with judgment and biased views, okay. When we do that, it gives us transformation to, like, our soul experiences a spiritual growth, guys. That is what I feel. And creativity, usually Scorpios, you are a very creative person, okay. And when we block our creativity, when our intuition tells us to do something and we block it, maybe due to some kind of maybe you are unable to go in that path, it causes anxiety and physical pain, sometimes even depression, when you are not able to express yourself creatively, okay. Or you may be dealing with a person who is in a creative field, maybe an artist or maybe a singer, or you may be a creative person, okay. This reading works vice versa, guys. This may be your energy or the energy of your person, okay. So that's what I feel, guys. I feel Scorpios, you should go with your intuition, guys. You will know in your heart of hearts, with the honor life cycle, step into light, transformation. It just denotes spiritual growth, guys. I feel Scorpios, it's a time for great spiritual growth, okay. You're growing emotionally and spiritually, and I feel you should take up some kind of creative activities to let go of all the negative energy you have within yourself, and when you feel gratitude towards the people and situation that is happening around you, I think your day will be a better day. And as far as your relationship is concerned, I feel you have a very beautiful relationship with your person, or your person feels the same way about you, guys. This may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. So that's all I feel, Scorpios. And it's a time for great change, Scorpios. Maybe some of you may be expecting a child also. So this is what I feel. This is a time of great change, guys. You're changing, maybe, or your person is changing. So this is the energy I'm getting for you, Scorpios. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another video. Bye Scorpios. Bye guys.